My name is Dr. Wesley Rono. I'm the CEO of Kenya Biovax. I think this is a very powerful statement when you talk about health is a right. So what it means then is that it's a promise to the citizens of this country that whenever you need health, it should be accessible to you everywhere, anytime. So that means being able to deliver on this promise. What Biovax is doing has been given a mandate to lead the manufacturing of vaccines and biologics in Kenya. So it's going to be, Kenya has not been producing vaccines and biologics. So Kenya Biovax has been given this mandate to lead in terms of producing vaccines and biologics. And this is very important because during COVID, we learned some lessons as a country and as a continent. We were not able to access vaccines. We were the last on the queue. So based on those lessons, the government put in place measures to make sure that we have capacity to produce vaccines. And this led to the establishment of Kenya Biovax. Kenya Biovax was established in 2021. And since that time, we have been on a journey towards producing vaccines in this country. Our target is to produce vaccines that are safe and of quality, of international standards. So I would like to assure Kenyans that we are on course towards producing vaccines in Kenya, especially for childhood immunization vaccines. So that is what our focus at the moment. But as we build that capacity for producing childhood immunization, we'll then also have capacity to be able to quickly move and respond to any outbreaks, because we'll then be having the skills and the platform technologies to pivot towards responding to any emergencies in the future. So I promise Kenyans that as we move along, we are putting in place measures and facilities in place to be able to not only to immunize our children, but also to position us to be able to respond to future outbreaks. The vaccines that we produce at Biovax is not only for Kenya, but it will also serve the continent. So the continent, through Africa CDC, is also setting up what we call pool procurement, so that vaccines that are produced in the continent, then there is an offtake arrangement, so that to make the investments across the continent for vaccine production to be viable. So one of the key challenges of vaccine business in the continent, there are three challenges. So one is finance, the second is technology, and the third is market assurance. So for Biovax, we seem to have all these in place, and that's why we are confident about this investment.